Come on, guys, say you can do it. Come on, Mikey. I gotta go back here. My camcorder's getting wet.
I just did it.
Well, I wasn't paying any attention. Okay. Come on, ride it this way, Mikey. Michael, ride it this way. Just do it. So I can get a better view. See, you're getting the hang of it, sort of. You almost had it. Just pretend it's like a normal skateboard. I have girlfriends that have those, and they ride them better than you. I got that on that. Oh, this is funny.
Mikey, wait to ride that so you don't get all soaking wet.
I didn't know.
And